Well, there is this underlining type of underground way or modality that every school has, and sometimes those ways are dangerously unhealthy. But this is something that the students know about, all the kids know about, but not the teachers nor the parents. And entering that environment, especially at in the freshman year, there is this idea that says, this pull, this pressure to try to get them to go along with this, even though it might go against their beliefs or, their values or anything like that, but you have to kind of go along with it. And even if you don't believe it, you have to support it. And that type of pressure to conform to something like that is one of the things I'm noticing a lot, which has caused them to either rebel against the whole school and not participate in anything or conform to it. And those extremes are always dangerous for young people.